Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special for oily skin type and dry skin type, especially for oily skin. Today I'm going to share with you my reviews on a product which gives 5 benefits in one product. And that is Nivea Total Face Cleanup. It provides 5 benefits for pure and clear skin. So let's see how did I use it. So here what I'm doing is I'm removing all my makeup first with my the makeup remover, the tissue wipes first. So once that is removed, everything is clear with your all the makeups are out, then you must start using the Nivea cleanup. Nivea face cleanup, it can be used as a face wash daily and as a face scrub and as a face pack 2-3 times a week. Yes, you heard it right. This can be used three ways, like face wash, face scrub and also face pack. So the first what I'm doing is I just wet my face and now I'm washing my face and then I'm scrubbing it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to scrub your neck as well. Neck is also part of your face, so you should try scrubbing your face as well whenever you do a face scrub and also apply a face pack. After scrubbing your face really well, leave your face scrub for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now I'm back after 5 minutes. You can see my face pack is dried now. That it's the same scrub. It turned into a face pack. So now I'll wash with the water, normal water, not warm, not cold. The scrub was not very harsh on my skin. After the scrub and the face pack, my skin is really feeling soft and gentle to the skin due to its mild formula. So Nivea Total Face Cleanup washes off your skin impurities, purifies skin from blackheads, helps fight spot causing bacteria and gives pure skin, and also leaves your skin soft and gentle. So I would definitely recommend you all to give it a try at least once. To buy this product, you can click the link shared in my description below. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit this video a big thumbs up and share this video to all your friends and family. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.